Hi, welcome to our channel. I am Aries from Synergy Nodes and today I am going to show you how to install a validator node for Stride Mainnet. We have compiled all the necessary steps and files needed for this process and uploaded them to our GitHub page. I will include all the important links along with our GitHub page in the description down below. Let's get started. Now let's log into the server that we have created just now. As you can see, we are using Ubuntu 20.04 operating system for this purpose. We have already installed Firewall UFW and enabled the SSH port 22, which is required to log into the server. Now we need to allow the port 26656 also for the validator node to work. To do so, execute the following command. Now reload the firewall settings. It is always recommended to operate the validator node as a user and not as a root user. Hence, we will create a new user called node using the command user_add. Give a password, re-enter the password. Now you can give these following details or else just press enter and then the user node is created. Now let's add this user to sudoers. Now let's log into this user node. Next, we have to install all the prerequisites which are required for the validator node to work properly. Just copy the commands present in our GitHub page one line at a time and execute them over here. Enter the password. Now let's install Go package. Just copy the command and paste it over here and press enter. Now we have to update the environment variables to include Go. To do so, on our GitHub page, just copy this section completely like this, paste it over here and press enter. Then set the source to .profile and check the Go version. Yep, let's continue. Now let's install the Stride node. cd stride git checkout version 2.0.3. This is the latest version as of today. And execute make install. Check the Stride version. You should get this output. Now let's initialize the node using the command stride init. Make sure that you change the moniker name to the one which you require. In our case, we will just say Synergy Nodes. Press enter. Now we have to download the genesis.json file. To do so, execute the following commands one by one. Remove the default Genesis file and download the Mainnet Genesis file from this link. Yep, this is done. Now let's update the seeds and peer nodes. Again, copy the lines one by one and execute it over here. Okay. Now let's download the snapshot and decompress the files. Synergy Nodes provides automated daily snapshots for Stride. To get the snapshot, please visit our website synergynodes.com. Click on snapshots. Under Stride Mainnet, click on download info. You will get all the instructions over here. Just copy this line and execute it over here. Let the download complete. Okay, we have the file over here and now execute this following command. Press enter. It will take a few seconds. That's it. We have downloaded the latest snapshot and decompressed the files in the folder .stride. Now let's start the node and let it sync to the blockchain. This will take time. As you can see, the blockchain has started to sync. I'll stop the video right now. I'll get back once the blockchain is completely synced and we'll continue. Okay, the blockchain is synced now. To know if the blockchain is completely synced, please open a new tab, log into the same server and execute the command strided status. Here, catching up should be false. If it is false, that means the blockchain is completely synced. Let's get back to the previous tab. Press Ctrl C to exit from here. And now let's create a systemd unit and start the node as a service so that it can run in the background. To do so, execute the following commands one by one. Cd into this folder, sudo nano strided.service, enter. Copy this full section, paste it over here. In this file, we are specifying the user over here. User is node, as you know. If you have registered the user as something else, you have to specify that over here. And then this is the location of strided binary file, and then this command start to start the node. That's it. No other changes required over here except for the user and the location, exact location of the strided binary file. Save this. Reload the daemon, enable the service, and then start the service. Now once this is started, you should be able to get the output similar to this. Yep, if you get an output like this, that means everything is fine. Now we have installed the node and the node is running in the background and it is completely synced to the blockchain. Now next step is to create a wallet for the validator node and get some STRD tokens to this wallet address. To create a wallet, execute the following command. In this case, I am using the name my wallet. You can use any name over here. You can say validator wallet or something. But in our case, we are going to say yes, my wallet, and press enter. Give a password. Retype the password and you get all this information over here. Just copy this full information along with this mnemonic keys and save it in a safe location. If you lose this mnemonic keys, you will never be able to recover your account. So make sure that you copy the whole section over here, save it in a text file and store it in a safe location. This is your address. Since this is visible over here, I am not going to use this mnemonic keys ever. Go to your browser, visit keplr.app website, install Kepler wallet. I have already installed it. Import the wallet over here. I am going to click on add account, import existing account, 24 words. Copy this mnemonic phrase from here, paste it over here. Give an account name. I'll say test2, click next and click done. Now select this, click on test2. Now you can see we have the same wallet address. Next step is to purchase STRD tokens. For that, you need to visit Osmosis Zone website, purchase some STRD tokens. In this case, I have 8.5 USDC tokens. I'll purchase for about $5. I'll be getting around 17.89 STRD tokens. Click on swap. Once you have purchased the tokens, click on assets. You should be able to see your STRD tokens over here. Click on withdraw. Stride address will be automatically populated, whichever you have selected over here. Click on maximum and click withdraw STRD tokens. This can take some time. Once the transaction is completed, you should be able to see STRD tokens in your account. So basically, we have transferred STRD tokens to the wallet address that we have created. In this case, this does not contain any STRD tokens because I am just showing you an example. Once this is done, next step is to register this node as a validator. To do so, copy this example, paste it into your notepad. Here you need to change the moniker name to the one that you require. In this case, we have specified as Synergy Nodes, and then we are delegating one STRD token to this validator node. Here it is the keybase ID. If you don't know about this, visit keybase.io, register over there and generate a key. Copy that key and paste it over here. Here you can specify your website, and here you can provide some description. And this is the wallet address that we have created. The name of the wallet address, my wallet, and this is the address that should contain the STRD tokens. Here the commission rate. This is the current commission rate that we are setting. You can set it to whatever you like. 0.05 is 5%. Then we have commission max rate. Commission max rate is the maximum commission that you can change forever. In this case, this is going to be 10%. If you want to set the maximum commission rate to 20%, you will need to enter 0.20 over here. Once this is set, you cannot change it forever. Then you have commission max change rate. This is how much percentage that you can increase per day. Here it is set to 1%. That means you cannot increase the commission more than 1% per day. For example, let's say your current commission rate is 5% and you would like to increase it to 10%. You will not be able to increase the commission from 5% to 10% at one shot. You will need to increase the commission by 1% per day for the next 5 days in order to reach the 10% commission. However, if you set this commission max change rate to say 5%, you can increase the commission from 5% to 10% at one shot. Again, this option also, once it is set, you cannot change it forever. Hope you are able to follow. After you are satisfied with the changes, copy this completely, go ahead onto your node, paste it and press enter and complete the transaction. Once the transaction is successful, your validator node is registered. Cosmos Run Info is one of our explorer which we have created. It is based on ping.pub and we have included Stride Mainnet over here. Go to staking and then click on inactive. If you have registered the validator node properly, then you should be at least visible in the inactive section over here. Once you have registered your validator node, please make sure that you take a backup of these files so that if there is an issue with current validator node, you can actually create a new validator node on a new server, replace these following files, and then you can retrieve your validator node. We have included other important commands related to the validator node over here. It can be useful for you. I hope this video helps you to create and register a validator node for Stride. Please like this video and share this video. Please join our Telegram and Discord channels. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos in the channel. That's all for now. You have a great day. Bye bye.